Have you ever walked into a coffee shop and gone straight to the counter, even though nobody told you to? Or stood quietly in an elevator facing the door, even though there's no rule about which way to face? These are examples of what sociologists call social norms, the unwritten rules that guide our behavior in everyday life. Social norms aren't laws. Nobody will arrest you for facing the wrong way in an elevator. But if you do, people will notice. They might feel uncomfortable or give you strange looks. That discomfort, both yours and theirs, is what keeps social norms in place. Sociologists call this informal social control. Now, here's what's really fascinating. Social norms vary dramatically across cultures. In some countries, making direct eye contact during a conversation signals respect and confidence. In others, it's considered rude or aggressive. Neither response is more correct. They're just different norms shaped by different cultural contexts. The takeaway? Much of what we think of as natural behavior is actually learned. We absorb these rules from childhood without even realizing it, and they shape nearly every social interaction we have.